All right, hello pre-calc students. We're doing problem 55, which is, I think, a very good application of a word problem. All right, so let me zoom out so we can work with the full space here. A man is standing on a level ground 70 feet away from the wall of a building. He looks up at a window on the building. The angle elevation to the bottom of the window is 32.5. He then looks up to the top of the building. The angle elevation to the top of the building is 41 degrees. What is the approximate distance between the bottom of the window and the top of the building? So what we need to do here is we need to draw the man, the building, and see if we can come up with some triangles. We have our building. Our building has a top, and our building also has a window. All right? And we're looking at the bottom of the window. Our man is 70 feet away from the wall of the building. So there's going to be a length with the distance of 70 away from the building. Here is the man, okay? And this man has his vantage point straight from the ground. This is the man's head, that's his vantage point. And he's prone on the ground. He's doing push-ups while he's looking up at the building, okay? So his vantage point is straight on the ground. So here he is. He's really happy about doing his push-ups. Okay? All right. So we're looking at the angle of elevation to the bottom of the window and the top of the building. So let's look at this angle. The angle from the bottom of the window from the man is 32.5 degrees. That's 32.5 degrees. There's a second angle, which is to the top of the building. That total angle is going to be 41 degrees. Obviously, this triangle is not to scale.
Wait, I have a question.
All right.
Why isn't it in the angle in the corner of the building? Not. Why isn't the 32.5 degrees on the right? Well, if you turn on your left, no, on your right. Why isn't it there?
It's the angle from the man to the bottom of the window. So that's what the angle of elevation means. The angle of elevation is the angle from the man to the bottom of the window. That's 32.5. The angle from the man to the top of the building is 41. And what we have drawn here is two right triangles, okay? And we need to find the height of these right triangles. We need to find the height of the blue triangle and the height of the red triangle. All right? So how can we find these heights once we're able to draw the problem? Well, we can use the tangent function. Let's call 70 is the adjacent side, and then this blue side is the unknown opposite side, and this red side is the unknown opposite side for the red part of the triangle. This is fully diagrammed. You don't have to diagram it this much yourself, but I just want you to get the full picture. So the tangent of theta is equal to opposite over adjacent. So we have two equations here. The tangent of 32.5, and let's call this opposite side y1 and the red opposite side y2. All right, the tangent of 32.5 is equal to y1 over 70. And the tangent of 41 degrees is equal to y2 over 70, which means y1 is equal to 70 times the tangent of 32.5 degrees. And y2 is equal to 70 times the tangent of 41 degrees. So how do we find y1, y2? We bring out our trusty calculator. We go to our mode. We make sure we are in degree mode, because we are in degrees. That's our unit. Then we do 70 times the tangent of 32.5. That value is 44.59. So y1 is equal to approximately equal to 44.59. y2 is going to be equal to 70 times the tangent of 41, which is going to be equal to 1.106. So y2 is going to be equal to, well, let me oh, sorry, miscalculation. I didn't put in the double tangent, so that's going to be 70 times the tangent of 41, right? So that'll be 60.85. So that's y2 is equal to 60.85, and the distance between the bottom of this window and the top of the building, just visualize that from the top of the building to the bottom of the window. We can get that by taking y2 and subtracting y1 from it. So our answer is going to be equal to 60.85 minus 44.59. All right? 60.85 minus 44.59. Plug into a calculator, what do you get? So 60.85 minus 44.59. 16.26 feet is going to be the distance from window to building top. All right, so that's a long problem, but actually, if you know how to do it, it's very simple. When I get this problem on the test, it's probably answered within 40 seconds because I'm literally just putting into my calculator. I know how to do it, and I do 70 tangent of 41 minus 7 tangent of 32.5, all as one calculator operation. So if you know what to do, you can solve this problem in one calculator stroke. But you got to know what to do. All right, that's OBS. Stop recording.